Good afternoon again. This is Dr. Shane JC. As you already know, today is a sunny, at least in my realm of influence, a sunny, beautiful, almost perfect Tuesday afternoon. Not a cloud in the sky. I'm coming to you live today talking about the 4 critical aspects of effective design. The 4 critical aspects of effective design. Yes, again, the 4 vital aspects of an effective designer. Yes, I'm coming to you live on this Tuesday. My esteemed, deeply revered, fantastic, and highly gifted, competent, credentialed, highly potentialized design innovators. I'm coming to you. This video is not for everybody. You have to have a certain level of vibrational frequency to understand exactly what I am getting to, where I'm going, and what I am speaking of. Yes, I understand. See, many people are called to the massives. You might find somebody with a crowd of 10,000, 20,000, 30,000. That's great. That's good. Hey, everybody loves to be entertained. But I'm talking about those who are destined, have the potential dormant within to really radically transform society at every level. I'm talking to you. I'll let the following resolve itself. Okay? Enough of the formality. The first one, number 1, is C. We're talking about clarity, clear communication. You know that you are in the presence of a master, an expert, somebody worthy of your physical, cognitive, attention, focus, concentration, intellectual, mental, even financial resources, is because whenever you have a certain understanding of what you're speaking of, a mastery, you do not hesitate. You speak in such a way that you can translate otherwise complicated material in a manner that's palatable and easy to comprehend by those who are, again, vibrating at a certain frequency level. We'll talk about that later on a different video, what I mean by that. Okay, so you know you're dealing with a master when they're clear. There's clear, succinct, how they can, how can I put it? They have a certain finesse, a certain unique skill set to communicate the complicated and the simple at one time. We're looking at like 2 sides of one coin. Make sense? Number 2 is depth. And depth is a next of kin to clarity, because it's because of depth, the person, the expert, the one worthy of your energy, physical, mental, and even financial resources have a depth. Therefore, they understand, because it is critical to know that in order for me to communicate to you as a educator, illuminator, mentor, trainer, expert, aficionadic, role model, I have to first have mastered that in which I am in the process of relaying, communicating to you. So depth is number 2. Let's explain it like this in a layman's term. There's a fundamental difference between snorkeling and scuba diving. Most people, when they snorkel, they're no more than maybe a foot and a half underneath the surface of the water itself. A scuba diver, with the right equipment, of course, can go at depths from 100 feet to 100 yards. But that's a different conversation. Number 3 is maturity. In the process of communicating their in-depth knowledge of a certain subject matter, there's a certain maturity. In other words, for those of you familiar with like content, curriculum development, there's a significant difference between freshman level curriculum, secondary level curriculum, graduate level curriculum, and like myself, postdoctoral. In other words, the framework is more advanced. Whereas another example, an analogy, is like a one-story house in comparison to a 10-story skyscraper. The significant and key difference between the one-story residence and the 10-story high-rise is the foundation. The foundation for the high-rise is deeper, significantly deeper.